Hi everyone. We have the 15th lesson for AP and GP. Given the sequence 2, 6, 18, 54, 2, 6, 18, 54, this one tells you that the sequence does not end. It is an infinite sequence. So once the sequence is an infinite sequence, it means there is no last term. Okay. How can we find the 8th term and the sum of the 6th and 10th terms without knowing if this sequence is an AP or GP? I always emphasize this, even in the previous 4 videos, that you should be able to tell if this sequence is an AP or GP, because sometimes the examiner will not tell you. And most of the formulas are based on, if not all, are based on which of the categories you are dealing with. How do we know that this one is an AP or GP? The first thing we do, 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. 18 minus 6, is it 4? No. Definitely it is not an AP. It is not an AP. Let's try GP. GP, 6 divided by 2 is what? Is 3. Sorry. 6 divided by 2 is what? Is 3. 18 divided by 6 is 3. 54 divided by 18 is 3. So by division, we have a constant value. And that constant value by multiplication or by division tells that it is a GP. So this one is a GP. So for this GP, what is our first term? Is 2. In GP, we don't talk about common difference. We talk about common ratio, and that is R. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So to write the formula, forget about 1. You can choose to start with T2 or T3 or T4. So let's say T3. But once you say T3, it's a must to go to the preceding, which is T2. T2. 3, 2, 4, 3, 8, 7, 20, 19. That's how we go. Okay. So what is the third term? 6. Oh, sorry, 18. The second term is 6, which is 3. So now we want to find the 8th term. This is the term we want to find the 8th term. But generally for GP, nth term, that is for general term, is AR to the n minus 1. AR to the power n minus 1. Well, we want to find the 8th term. So 8 is going to replace n. 8 is replacing n. So what is A? A is 2. What is R? R is 3. Raised to power n. What is n? N is 8 minus 1. So 2 times 3 to the power 7. So let's see what the calculator gives. For 3 to the power 7. So 3 to the power 7, 2187. So 2 times 2187. So this implies what? 14, 17, 3, 4. Okay. So this is what we have for this one. So B. Yeah, B, what do we want to find? The sum of the 6th and 10th terms. Sum of the 6th and 10th terms. So we don't want to write the formula each time. What is the logic we apply here? We want to know about 6th term. So say 6 minus 1. What is 6 minus 1? Is 5. So we say AR to the power 5. What is 10th term? 10 minus 1 is 9. AR to the power 9. I hope it is clear. Okay, so what is A? A is 2 multiplied by R, which is what? 3 to the power 5. What is A? 2 again. What is R? 3 to the power 9. Okay, so we have to say 3 to the power 5 times 2. 3 to the power 5 times 2, so that we don't waste time. 3 to the power 5 is 243. 243. So times 2 is 468. 486, sorry. 486. So 3 to the power 9 again, then later we'll say times 2. 3 to the power 9. 3 to the power 9. Then later we'll say times 2. 39,366. 39,366. Yeah. So this one we have plus 486. So we have 39852. So this is what we have. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share, comment, then subscribe to the YouTube. See you in my next video.